you know, I could eat anything I wanted to, pretty much get away with it. And training, I didn't have kids. I wasn't in a relationship. I worked out all day long whenever I could, you know. You get away with stuff. So on your cheat day, I would go and get about $25 worth of like Burger King. Get like 2 Whoppers, 2 fries, chicken nuggets, you know, the whole thing, and just eat all of it. Oh, you got a lot. What? Now it's one meal.
Yes, I remember.
But, I mean, that was fun. Superset 3, bro. Look at that. 3. Hey, this is fun. This is the easy part of the workout.
Easy.
Little curl, little spider curl.
Little curl.
Little skull crusher, all right?
Let's do it.
Be a deer and hand me those weights?
Absolutely.
The key with this exercise is to go with a lighter load. You're taking your body out of the equation, so it's like kind of like a concentration curl.
Yep, straight isolation.
Really trying to turn the pinkies towards the outside. It's a non-cheating curl.
Looking good, man.
I think I'll go 2 more. Girls for the girls?
Girls for the girls.
Okay. Oh, look at you.
Yeah, you see, I got you.
What a gentleman.
I got you, man.
Chivalrous and everything. All right, so you strained your bicep recently.
Yeah,
you told me.
Yep.
Filming one of your special videos. Oh, I'm sorry. Here.
So you're gonna rub it with your wet shirt.
Right. Here. This will be better. It's all dried off. We do have towels. Would you be better?
Yes.
We have a shower here. If you need to.
You can put your ass on this damn thing, man.
Providing assistance.
That's how I assist.
All right, just go, man.
We do need some more dad jokes. Hey, what'd the Pink Panther say when he stepped on a bug?
Dun-dun, dun-dun.
That ant. All right, come on. Don't we want the bad dad jokes?
All right, come on.
Here we go. Hey, go easy. Listen to your body here.
Absolutely. So
palms up and then turn the pinkies, towards the outside. Here you go. Nice stretch. Does that feel okay on it?
Yep.
So here it's just about getting reps and trying to peak contraction. So you're trying to really maximize how much flexion you can get. Yep. You can kneel on the seat if you want, if your chin's down on the bench too much.
I'm okay, Dad.
You're okay, son?
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah, Dad.
That ant.
Did you get along good with your dad?
Absolutely.
Do you?
We're both beasts.
Is he still kicking?
He's still with us. One more.
He's still with it? One more? For Dad. Do it for Dad.
Do it for Dad. Thanks for grabbing it for me.
No, you're right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Some friend
man,
I am.
It's called gym etiquette, bro. You don't have it.
Hey, I'm sorry about that.
Jesus.
I'm sorry about that.
I remember that.
Hey, you get along good with your dad, though?
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah.
That's the problem with this country, by the way. Not getting political.
Absolutely.
But
no, it's true.
If more sons and daughters got along better with their parents, and if dads were home
here's the thing.
and around.
That's the thing. The father-mother tradition is no longer.
No, I know it, but
crazy.
It's why all of a sudden are we trying to get away from it? For centuries, it's been the way, and now all of a sudden, the last 2 decades,
And then there's a category of genders.
Oh, get the heck out of here!
We're not gonna go there.
No, we're not gonna go there. Okay, I'm gonna grab like right here. This is where I like it. See, this bar used to be straight, but I came down so hard on my head, I just bent it. You see what I did?
Now it all makes sense.
Yep. The scar went away. That's exactly right. 6. I like how there was like a moment of silence after I said all that stuff.
Like, don't want to mess with this guy. Johnny!
Come on! do it. Okay, there you go.
Oh, you want me to get it for you now?
Yeah,
Like you got
Thank
for me
you,
there?
pal. I'm not
Yeah.
going to leave you stranded on
Yeah.
this one. I thought with the 20s, and like, he could just let him go.
You know, but still, it's the thought that counts.
It's the thought that counts? All right. Like, at least get me a card on my birthday. You don't need to spend the money, but just let me know you thought about me for
How I
a
like
second.
to do these even more, I like to, like, when I lay down,
Yeah.
make it more challenging, cross your legs,
Ooh.
you know,
Uh-huh.
keep them like that. It's better,
Yeah.
more coordination.
Yeah, I like
Yep,
it.
yep.
You get your grip that you like, wherever you want.
Keep your elbows
All
parallel.
right. There you go. Oh, yeah, that looks good, buddy. Tight. Come on, boom,
Nice
boom.
and slow.
I said boom, boom. I said a boom, 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 boom.
Buddha boom.
Do some bicycles while you're doing. Let's see. Can you do two things at once? Bicycle. Yeah. Flutters. Flutter kicks. Ha! Ha!
And
Good, bro.
chopper.
Hey, come on now.
All right, I'm done.
Uh,
I'm done.
nice job.
Thank you.
That's it. Let's get
Let's
into
get
it.
it done.
Let's get into it. Where'd those other ones go?
Oh, I'll put them over there. Here.
They're behind you. How'd they get so far away?
Because they're scared of you, man. They saw what you did to that bar. They're like, I want to skull crush up.
All right, here we go.
Come on. You can do it.
Shut up. This is what you get full range of motion.
Nope.
No, that's perfect.
Nope.
Look at that.
Nope, I'm not doing it. Nope.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I didn't. You deserve it.
I'm getting full extension.
It
Full
looks real
flexion.
good. You are doing it good, man. Don't listen to those guys.
I'm not.
know.
You know, it's like a gnat. You hear. Look at that. Look at that. That's it. Now, does that feel okay on the bicep?
It does.
It feels okay. So for you, I bet it's just a matter of how much load you're putting on it. Is that the same bicep that you've injured years ago?
No, it's my left one. That I injured.
Okay. So you just strained it. You didn't.
Yep, I didn't. Yeah, do nothing crazy.
You probably weren't warmed up.
You know, I'm only human,
I know.
and I practice what I preach.
You let the 17-year-old ace come through
Yep.
in that moment. What'd you do? You jumped up to like crank out some pull-ups, right?
Yep.
Like in the middle of the night, you said, because no one was there.
Yep.
What do you have, a 24-hour pass thing?
Yep.
And that's when you go and do some funny filming crap?
Because there's nobody there.
Because nobody's there.
And when there is somebody there, I'm like, what are you doing on that
What are you
bench?
doing here?
What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here.
You're not supposed to be here. This is my gym at 3 a.m. You do that often? You're a
I
light
just like
sleeper, or you like getting up really early to go work out? Like, what's your thing?
No, I do that and then I go to sleep.
Oh my gosh! So you're like you
night
stay
owl.
up. You're a night owl, and then you sleep till what, like 9 or 10?
Yep. Yep.
Wow, bro.
Yes, sir.
Look at you. Hey, you have any gigs coming up or anything
No,
recently that
I
you've
was
done?
telling Steve. No, it's been slow, man.
It's been slow.
Been slow. I submitted for a couple last night, so we'll see how that goes.
Is that kind of, yeah, that's what I've heard too. And do you submit for stuff like nationally? I mean, are you looking for any opportunity?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I was telling Steven, I submitted for Kentucky and New Jersey. There's a couple gigs over there.
Here you go, bub. Yeah.
You know,
And
struggling.
you never know, right? It's by volume, right? You just keep submitting, submitting, and then eventually, hopefully.
Yeah. That's exactly how it is. But like for the most part, even like these IFBB competitions, they already have their winners. For the most part, these judges know who they're gonna pick.
It's the same way in the acting world.
These casting people already got their people. They're not even necessarily good actors. They're just a friend of a friend that knows somebody.
They're in the network.
It's crazy.
Who you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Who you know?
All right.
Get it. Come on, Ace. Let's go.
Let me fake it.
Oh. Here you go.
And boom.
Nice job, buddy. You ever see that Anatoly guy, the power lifter, Anatoly? He always dresses up in character as a janitor.
Oh,
and
yeah.
But he's like, you know, he's obviously super strong. It's super, just super athletic. Like he's not just strong. He can do some crazy stuff.
I lift, it's okay.
Yeah, okay. I'm up. I pick up.
I can't. No, it's okay.
Oh, so he's like, can I try? Can I try that?
I always want to
some big dude, right? Some big dude will be deadlifting like 500, you know, and they're like, try what? You can't do it.
He goes, I'm sorry, this is fake,
I'm
right?
sorry, fake weight. Very entertaining, actually.
Yeah. But like,
I love when they got the kind of maybe just like 135 on the bar, maybe 185, and he snatches it.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
And then he holds it up while he mops with one hand.
You know that saying though, which is true. Muscle mass does not equal muscle strength.
No, it doesn't.
Remember that.
He is extremely strong. He's extremely dense.
Yeah.
And Once he puts that janitor outfit on, he just kind of looks like kind of a small dude.
Yeah, but that definitely like a
hilarious, very entertaining.
We should do that one day.
We should?
Yeah, we should do something like that.
You could put a wig on, right?
Yeah. We'll figure something out.
The whole thing. We could be in there. We could be like painters.
Something like that, or like the
at a gym where we go set up in the gym. But I'm not that strong.
Neither am I. So we'll figure something out.
I'm not Anatoly strong.
We'll figure it out.
I don't know what we do. We can impress kids.
We'll get fake weights.
We could get fake weights.
Yeah.
We could get. Yeah, I like it.
We'll make it work, man.
Yeah, really old men. Impress like the 80-year-old guys. Yeah.
The AI shit.
Oh, he's done that before too. He just did that out in Venice Beach, I think. He dressed up as an old guy,
and he did that.
And then he was doing the muscle ups. And he was doing it as an old dude.
I seen that.
Yeah, that was very entertaining. All right, last set, buddy.
Let's go. I'm sorry, those are fake weights. No, let me do, please, let me do.
Pretty much. Two more.
Yeah, you got a good pump on the biceps with those, man.
You do, and
those are good pump.
And the body is really completely out of the equation.
Yep.
You can't put body English on this exercise.
It's isolation.
Your biceps either can do it or they can't. I like it.
Thanks, Dad.
No problem, son. All right.
Johnny, you can do it.
Last set.
All right.
Whew. It's good.
Now, mind you, this is not my normally. I can curl a lot more.
I know you can.
I'm just,
Listen, I get it.
This is just all. I don't want to hurt myself. This is 20, but I can do a lot more. For the record.
I didn't get these 18.5-inch pythons freaking curling 20s. Eating Lucky Charms over here. What do you think? Lucky Charms were healthy, Ace? Is that what you thought?
No, I didn't know they were. I mean, but when
you just didn't think they were as bad?
When I found out they had engine degreaser in it, man, come on.
That leprechaun's full of crap.
That rainbow's deceptive.
Oh man, cold water. I love all this rain though, bro. We need it.
I know, right? But not for a workout session. I'd rather be eating some Lucky Charms somewhere.
That'd be a good post-workout little, like on a cheat day. No, I'm saying on like a reward cheat day.
Absolutely.
Listen, back in the day, my early 20s.
Did you have long hair before?
I did.
I seen you. I was like, Christopher?
Pulled back. When did you see that?
You were like Steven Seagal.
Yeah, I had a Steven Seagal haircut. It was crazy. I had hoop earrings, all kinds of crazy. This is over 20 years ago. So, I could eat anything I wanted to, pretty much get away with it. And training, I didn't have kids. I wasn't in a relationship. I worked out all day long whenever I could. You get away with stuff. So on your cheat day, I would go and get about $25 worth of like Burger King. Get like 2 Whoppers, 2 fries, chicken nuggets, the whole thing, and just eat all of it.
That was back in the day with $25. Got a lot of
Oh, you got a lot. Now it's one meal.
Listen, I remember.
But, I mean, that was fun.
I remember the Big Mac meal.
Yeah.
$2.99 plus tax $3.19.
Wow.
I used to love them Big Macs back in the early 90s.
Back in the day when it was real meat still.
Yeah, exactly.
It might have been real food back then.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, I don't know what it is.
Those burgers will last forever in the heat.
And the fries are a whole nother thing. Yep.
They still taste good, though. I'm not going to lie.
No, I don't disagree with that part. It's amazing what chemicals can
But see, this is the truth. So what's always good for you doesn't always taste good.
That's right.
So that's the whole conspiracy of it, You want to get a $12 salad or a 50-cent burger. Well, not 50 cents anymore, like $2 now, but.
Right. Yeah, we did. I can't tell you last time I was at McDonald's. They kind of swore that place off.
I was there.
I'd rather, because I never thought that they had the best food anyway. No, I'll go to like Steak and Shake.
Oh, yeah.
Or
Checkers, man.
Or Checkers.
The fries.
That's what I'm saying. But even the burgers are better. Or Burger King. Yeah. At least a Whopper tastes like a freaking hamburger.
Exactly. They're smoked and it has that
That's what I'm saying,
taste.
Man. They're grilled.
The burgers they're good.
McDonald's, everything's just microwave.
It's always been like that at Burger King.
Yeah. No.
I used to work at McDonald's. That was my first job, actually.
Was it really, bro?
Slinging? At 14
slinging
years
food?
Old, I was
were
the
you
best fry guy. And then when I turned 16, I started flipping burgers.
Wow, bro.
And then
you look like a damn good fry guy. I quit my job
and started playing for the band in high school.
What'd you play?
Trumpet.
My brother Dave was a trumpeter,
bro. I love the trumpet.
My one brother Dave, trumpet. My other brother Bob, clarinet. I did drums. I was a drummer.
I started trombone first.
Yeah, I heard you played the trombone. In school. Why is everything got to be so weird? I heard you played the trombone.
You're freaking. All right, take the weights. I can't.
No, wait. Do a couple more reps. Do a couple more reps.
All right.
Come on. There's a couple of guys having fun around here. All right. Superset 3 in the book. Boom.